dream boy?
Idea.
Or who is your ideal girl?
Pwede rin. Straight to the point.
Character first. What characters are you looking for?
Immature but sincere.
Immature but sincere?
Yeah, from All of May.
Oh.
Immature but sincere.
Huh? Weird but interesting.
Whoa.
Interesting.
But you know what? When you're immature, you're fun. You're a fun person,
Tama, tsaka
right?
You're learning
There's an immature good side.
Tama.
Like a good
Cute
immature.
Cute immature. Is she cute?
Is Ilona immature and sincere?
So guys, enjoy mo lang.
I'm sorry, it wasn't part of the question.
Sorry,
Okay,
it's part of the question now. Answer, please. Yes or no? Is Ilona immature and sincere? Do you like each other?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much for that wonderful answer.
Yes.
What about you, Ilona? What is your ideal guy?
Me?
Yes.
My ideal guy? Well,
Characters.
someone who is really sweet, someone who is patient, someone who isn't mean.
Oh!
Joke lang, guys! Joke lang!
Baby girl, he's not mean daw.
He's not mean. He's not mean.
What
Everyone's
Ilona is
nice.
trying to say is Bailey is meaningful.
I love it. I
Very
love
good.
it.
Very good. Okay. Okay, next. Oh, what about?
What about? Who is your crush? Follow-up question, random.
Wala
Sa
po.
housemates. Sa housemates. Yung
Sa
pinaka-naging close mo.
housemates?
Yeah.
Ryan.
Ryan.
Uy, si Raya. Uy.
Kasi ang tanong nyo, sino naging pinaka-close? Siyempre, sabihin niyo yung totoo. Si Ryan.
Yung good looking.
What about you, ikaw, Franco?